Look at this new Tesla. Isn't this the Tesla? This is wild. Look at that. Did you guys just see that? I think that's the new Tesla. It looks so incredibly safe. For anyone who knows me, I have this fear of Yaris's and Priuses. It's not a prejudice. It is a fear because I always have this fear that if they were to get into a collision with some sort of larger vehicle, that they would not make it through. Now, I could be wrong. They could be very well acclaimed in their safety and hazard testing, but from my experience and in my fears, I just imagine it getting destroyed in a collision. That truck, it looks like it can stand up to just about anything.
I don't think it's anything.